everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into site access permission in sites and stores Bitrix24. And by the end, we will all have the insight you need to know how to give access permission in Bitrix20 sites and stores. So, get a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. Site access permission. Configure access permission and manage who can access and perform actions on your Bitrix24 site. So, to configure access permission, we are in, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Select access permission. Access permissions are based on role. By default, we have some three roles: administrator, manager, and access delay. Administrator, full access to sites, including editing employees' role and access permission. Manager, full access to site but can't delete site or edit role and permissions. Access delay, no access to view the site. So, if the default role not suit your needs, create your own one. To add new role, click on Add, specify the role name and configure its access permission. So I am just giving here test role and I am here saving it. Here we also have site area, sites, all sites content, action, view, full access, create, export, like that we have. So I am just saving it. Site area, configure permission to view sites and edit access permission. Sites, configure permission to create and export sites. All site content, configure permissions to various actions. View, users can view the site content. Edit, users can edit the site content. Edit settings, user can edit the site settings. Publish, user can publish site. Delete, user can delete site. Click Add Set Site Permissions to configure access permission for a specific site. If you are done with this one, then save it. Assign roles to employees. After configuring and saving the role, click Add Access Permission. Select an user or department for the site list. I'm just taking example now. Click on that user and select this user. Assign the role to the selected employee or department and save this one. In that way, we can give site access permission, configure access permission and manage who can access and perform actions on your Bitrix24 sites. Use the three default roles or create custom ones to suit your needs. Assign roles to individual users, departments, or work group members. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your questions or comments in the comment below. and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.